sit as still as possible too. Oh, hail's coming. Oh yeah, you got that one. I don't think I did.
Dude.
Hail here real shortly.
Did you get it?
Oh my God.
Oh, I got it too. Sweet. Oh yeah, here it comes. We're gonna have to move after this shot. We gotta find shelter if there's even any available, because this awning's covered with cars behind us. Okay, gotta go. We pushed the limit here, Jesse Post. Oh, there it is.
Gotta go.
Come on, hurry up. I don't know where we can go under here to get out of the hail. This guy's got it covered. Oh, look at that CG. What's that over there? What's that? That looks good, doesn't it?
Yep. Go get her.
That's our spot. We can get over there. How the hell did you get over there? How the hell did you get over there?
Right.
Oh, Jesus, sorry.
Dude, right there.
No, that's the... Oop, there's the hail. We gotta go. Hurry up. I'm gonna drive right through the grass if I have to. Yeah, I have to. It's hailing. Screw it. Full drive. Oh, yeah, that's big hail. Hold on to your stuff. That's big hail.
Oh, man.
What was that?
Oh, my lens.
Fuck is dragging? It's 4-drive. Tell the guys we're in cover. Ooh, who's that?
My microphone.
All right, guys, we got cover.
Oh!
Perfect timing.
Listen to this.
Oh, look at that hail! We got to turn this off of night mode so these guys can see it. I got to back up.
Holy crap. Listen to that, guys.
Turn this off night mode.